Well, hi everyone. So I have my red on tonight because I'm going to share with y'all a perfect red lip. Now, I am more in a warm tone, so I'm going to actually share what I'm going to wear tonight is going to be the waterproof lip liner in red. And then I'm going to do the gel semi matte in red stiletto. So that is for warm. Okay. Now, if you are um, want like a neutral, like a neutral red lip, okay, then I would go with the Supreme Hydrating in the Rockstar Red. Okay, just that you just want more of a neutral red. If you kind of want to move toward the cooler tone and more of a um, blue red, okay, then that would be the midnight red, okay, and that is also in a semi gel matte, okay. So just to kind of give you some different ones, those would be the ones that I would kind of, lean toward, other than Red Smolder. Red Smolder is actually your semi shine. It's a semi shine. And so Red Smolder is more of the cooler tone. Okay, so cooler tone, Midnight Red and Red Smolder are going to lean more toward the bluer reds. And of course, the red stiletto is more of the orangey red. Okay, it's gonna be more of like a warmer tone. And then, like I said, the Rockstar Red is a supreme. I actually like to wear Rockstar Red on top of the other lipsticks because it's supreme and it's moisturizing, and I just like that. Okay, and so, but for tonight, I'm going to show you the red um, lip liner. Now, obviously, you can color in your lip um, to help keep the lip liner, to help keep your lipstick on. I'll kind of do like halfway. Another thing with lips, if you have a small lip, you can line outside the lip. Um, if you have small lips, if you have bigger lips, you'll line it exactly on the line. Okay, I have kind of like medium lips, so I kind of just keep it on the line. Okay, uh, and this is my personal favorite. Red is red stiletto, other than Poppy Please, and Poppy Please is not a true red. So it's more of an orange. It's more of a poppy color. I mean, it's called Poppy Please, so it's more in the poppy, the orangey tone. But if you want a true red lip for Christmas, then this would be the red that I would choose. Would be red stiletto, and this is a warm tone. If you're a warm tone, red stiletto and the red lip liner. Okay, and so get with your consultant and depending on what tone you are, whether you're cool or whether you're warm, um, we can select the perfect red lip for you. Okay, and give you some samples and let you try and see what's best for you. So again, for Supreme, it's Rockstar Red. And then for semi matte, I have the red stiletto that I have on, or midnight red, which is more of a it's almost like a maroonish color. Okay, it's more of the blue kind of tones. And then as well as red smolder is in the same family as well. It's a cool as well, and that is the in the semi shine. Okay, and this is the matte. So there you have it, a perfect red lip. Get with your consultant and grab you one for the holidays. Bye, everyone.